how to get the invisible username in this. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and let's hop into the video without any delay. As you can see that I have a username displayed in my name right here. So if you want to make it invisible, if you don't want anything in your username, then follow these steps. First, go to your user settings, the gear icon next to your profile, and here under user settings you will find my account, and in my account you will find this box where you can edit your display name. So click on edit, and here select it and paste this. So you can just delete these and click on save changes. So then go back and you will see that you don't have the display name. I just have my name, but I don't have my display name here. So I will leave the username in the description below. Do check it out. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.